हेलो माखिलाल और पापा की परियो, मैं हूं आमिर। ये है सिनेमा की और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं 17 सितंबर को सोनी लिव पर रिलीज हुए मलयालम फिल्म काने काने के बारे में। इट इज ऑल्सो द फर्स्ट फिल्म टू बी प्रीमियर्ड ऑन सोनी लिव। माय मलयालम फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज स्पेयर मी फॉर माय बैड प्रोनाउंसिएशन। आई नो आई एम वेरी बैड एट इट एंड सो सॉरी फॉर बीइंग लेट फॉर द पार्टी। एक्चुअली मेरे साथ सीन ऐसा होता है ना कि कभी कभी मल्टीपल रीजंस के चलते मैं फिल्म को तब नहीं देख पाता जब वो रिलीज़ होती है और कुछ दिन निकल जाते हैं तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत डिले हो गया है, अभी तक लोगों ने देख लिया होगा, रिव्यू बनाए कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, मतलब उसको ड्रॉप करने के आइडियाज़ आने लगते हैं। तभी रेकमेंड कर देता है कोई मुझे कमेंट में, या ये कह देता है कि भैया फलाना मूवी है, इसे देख लो या इसे रिव्यू कर लो, बहुत अच्छी मूवी है, और मैं वो इग्नोर नहीं कर पाता। और जब मैं वो देखता हूँ मुझे सच में मज़ा आता है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स माई ड्यूटी to make a review video on it. So here I am, and if you like what you see, then please smash that like button, hit that or click that, whatever is your thing, and please consider subscribing for some extra good deeds. The premise of the film is कि एक बाप है, Paul Mathai, who is a deputy तहसीलदार in Pala and is visiting Ernakulam for a case, a hit and run case in which he lost his daughter. वहीं पे इनका सन इन लॉ एलन भी रहता है along with his new wife Sneha, who is pregnant, and a son from Sherin, his first wife. Alan is not doing great at work, he is always distracted and is not very glad to know that his father-in-law is visiting him, but tries to hide it when he is in front of him. Paul is there to see his grandson after a year and wishes to see him more. Now the thing is which bother Paul even more than his daughter being so easily replaced is that even the mother of his grandson has been replaced and sadly forgotten. So he is about to leave the next day when he notices one of the photographs of Sneha and Alan on the wall, which shooks him and multiplies his pain as a grieving father even more. He then starts to analyze and connect the dots from when his daughter was alive to the date she died until now. Finding answers to the questions that was his daughter's death a convenience for Alan? Does he have something to do with her death? Did Alan lie to him and is hiding something from him? The answers to all this and the steps taken by Paul to find them and react to them is what Kane Kane is all about. Now, how's the film? It is a story of love, grief, guilt, betrayal, justice, and a father's love. We see Paul missing his old life when Sneha's parents come to visit her as it's her birthday. We see him being lonely and missing his daughter. We also see Alan trying to feel his father-in-law's pain, which he cannot. It's a drama which soon turns into a thrilling ride of emotions. The characters are very well written and layered as the story demands it. As the film proceeds, the story gets more intense and darker, but after the first half, it goes back to becoming a drama but with more pain, grief, and guilt in it. Conflicts keep rising for the pivotal characters, which puts them to test. It is Manu Ashokan's second directorial and also his second collaboration with writer duo Bobby and Sanjay after Oyare. And it feels like Manu knows well how to make a tragedy drama with a happy ending. This film is produced by T.R. Samsuddin. You should check out this guy. He is also an engineer and seems interesting. The story is told in a non-linear manner and has been edited and cinematographed very well by Abhilash Balachandran and Albi Antony, which suits the narrative. Though sometimes I felt कि ये जो 2 घंटे का रन टाइम है, it could have been 10 to 15 minutes less, but anyhow for the genre and for the story 2 hour was just fine. उससे ज़्यादा हो सकता है कि surely थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता. Ranjan Raj has done a commendable job as the music director. He did the background scores and composed the only song of the film titled Pal Nilavin Poikayil. Written by Vinayak Kumar and sung beautifully by veteran singer G. Venugopal and Sithara Krishna Kumar as male and female versions respectively. सूरज वेंजारामुडू एज पॉल मथाई वॉज जस्ट एक्सीलेंट। ये तो पक्का है कि तगड़े एक्टर्स की कमी नहीं है हमारे मलयालम इंडस्ट्री में। लाजवाब, एक एक चीज़ क्या बेहतरीन तरीके से इमोट करते हैं इस फिल्म में ये। वन कुड फील द पेन ऑफ अ फादर बाय जस्ट लुकिंग इनटू हिज आईज। एंड टोविनो थॉमस एज एलन, सूरज के अपोजिट एक गिल्टी स्ट्रक सन इन लॉ का रोल बखूबी निभाते दिख जाते हैं। ऐश्वर्या लक्ष्मी एज श्रुति जॉर्ज डज प्योर जस्टिस टू हर रोल, बट श्रुति रामचंद्रन एज शेरिन मथाई थोड़ी देर के लिए आती हैं, बट शी लुक्स गॉर्जियस एंड हाई लेवल क्यूट। बाय गॉड। मास्टर आलोक कृष्णा एज कुट्टू हैज एक्टेड वेरी वेल। ऐसा कतई नहीं लग रहा था कि किसी बच्चे से जबरदस्ती एक्टिंग करवाई जा रही है, जो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम केस होता है। आई विल कंक्लूड बाय सेइंग कि काने काने इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ फादर एंड हिज जर्नी टू गेट जस्टिस फॉर हर डॉटर। द एंडिंग इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल, फुल ऑफ होप्स, दो एवरीवन माइट नॉट बी हैप्पी विद दैट एंडिंग, बट आई वाज कंटेंट विद इट। एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली वॉच इट along with your family on Sony Live if you have not yet. You might love it. So guys, this was my 2 cents of review on the movie Kane Kane. Hope I did not destroy the pronunciations. Do let me know your thoughts on this film if you have watched it. और अगर नहीं देखा तो जाओ भाई देखो, अच्छी फिल्म है, अच्छी लगेगी। I'll see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए टाटा, बाय बाय, जय हिंद,